If you're seeing Steam error 309, that usually means the Steam service has timed out while trying to communicate with the client. In simple terms, a background process that handles Steam hardware, updates, and service communication is either stuck, disabled, or corrupted. The good news is that this is usually fixable in just a few minutes without affecting your games. In this video, I'll show you the safest and most effective ways to fix Steam error 309 step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, we're going to manually start the Steam client service. This is one of the most common fixes because error 309 often happens when the service has stopped running or has been disabled. Start by closing Steam completely. To make sure it's fully closed, open Task Manager and end any Steam-related processes if needed. Once Steam is shut down, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type services.msc and press Enter. This opens the services window on your PC. Now scroll through the list and look for Steam Client Service. When you find it, right-click it and choose Start. If it's already running, choose Restart instead. This forces the service to refresh itself. After that, right-click Steam Client Service again and select Properties. In the Startup Type menu, change it to Automatic. This makes sure Steam starts the service by itself in the future, which can help prevent the same error from coming back. Click Apply, then OK, and try launching Steam again to see if the issue is gone. If error 309 is still showing up, the next step is to repair the Steam service through Command Prompt. This is often the most successful fix because it resets the Steam service permissions and repairs the service files without deleting your games. First, close Steam again if it's open. Then click the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. If a permission window appears, click Yes. Now carefully type the following command exactly as shown, including the quotation marks, C:\program files x86 /steam/bin/ steam service.exe/repair. Press Enter and let it run. This process may take a minute or so be patient and don't close the window while it finishes. Once it's done, close Command Prompt and restart Steam. In many cases, this repair step clears the timed out service communication and gets Steam working normally again. If you're still getting the error, the next thing to check is the Steam package folder. Corrupted update manifest files inside this folder can cause Steam error 309 when the service tries to read or load them. To fix that, open File Explorer and go to your Steam installation folder. On most systems, that will be C:\program files x86 /steam. Inside that folder, look for the package folder and open it. Once you're inside the package folder, delete everything inside it. Don't delete the Steam folder itself, just the contents of the package folder. This is safe because Steam will rebuild and re-download the latest client files the next time it launches. After clearing that folder, restart Steam and give it a moment to resync and update its files. This often clears the timeout issue if it was caused by a bad update package or damaged manifest data. If Steam still doesn't open correctly after these steps, go back and double check that the Steam client service is set to automatic and that the repair command completed successfully. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem: starting the service, repairing the service, or clearing the package folder. The key is to work through them one at a time and then test Steam after each step so you know which fix resolved it. And that's how you fix Steam error 309, step by step. If this video saved you time, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Steam error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.